In today's video, you will learn how to isolate specific colors in CapCut PC. Isolating specific colors is a popular editing effect that allows certain colors in your video to stand out while other colors become muted or completely desaturated. To begin, highlight the clip you want to edit in your timeline. Once the clip is selected, look for the Adjust section in the editing panel. This is where you can fine-tune the appearance of your video using brightness, contrast, saturation, and advanced color controls. Inside the Adjust section, select HSL. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation, and Luminance, and it allows you to edit specific colors independently instead of affecting the entire clip. This gives you much more precise control over the final look of your footage. Once you are inside the HSL settings, you will see different color options available. Simply click on the color you want to remove or reduce from the video. For example, if you want only red objects to stand out while everything else becomes less colorful, you can lower the saturation of the other color channels individually. To remove a selected color completely, drag the saturation slider down to -100. This removes all color information from that specific color range, turning it into grayscale while the remaining colors stay visible. The effect instantly changes the mood and focus of the scene, creating a much more stylized and cinematic appearance. You can repeat this process for multiple colors depending on the exact look you want to achieve. In some cases, subtle adjustments create more natural results, while stronger settings produce a more dramatic visual effect. It is also helpful to preview the footage while editing, so you can see how the isolated colors interact with lighting and movement in the scene. This technique works especially well with clips that already have strong color contrast, because it makes the isolated colors stand out even more clearly. And that is how to isolate specific colors in CapCut PC using the HSL adjustment tools to create clean and professional color-focused effects.